Okay, so it's football season and I want to make a football helmet dish platter. I'm going to start with using maple and black walnut, and I'm going to laminate these together. I want this to be kind of a dual layered look. Maple on the bottom, walnut on the top. Using my template, I'm going to stick it down with double-sided adhesive tape, and using a 1/4-inch upcut bit, I'm going to route out the middle portion. This will be the dish. Then I'm going to take it over to the router table and use a 1/4-inch flush trim bit. Going to go around the template and duplicate the pattern exactly. Then sand to the desired smoothness and use atomic oil for my wood finish. I really like it. It comes out nice. And what do you think? Just like that, in a few simple steps, I've got this unique helmet dish platter. Now I can serve it up, put it on the table, and throw some popcorn in it for my next game. Yes, I know, my NFL team are the Saints, and they're not having a good year. So I may throw this and break it at some point, but I still have my college teams. Using my reindeer template, today I'm going to batch out some products. This is going to be some sweet home decor for the holidays. Using a jigsaw to remove the excess material and double-sided tape to adhere the template. Afterwards, I'm gently going to go around the entire design using a 1/4-inch flush trim bit. Moving on to the second template and repeating the process. This will be the base. I decided to take it a step further and I made nose, eyes, and a mouth. And of course I flush trimmed it. Then using Starbond CA glue, I was able to adhere the eyes, nose, and mouth really well, and then moved on to atomic oil for the finish. Let's squeeze this together. Alright, good fit. Perfect, what do you think? What a cool little project, right? Moving on, it's in its resting place. Now it's time to batch out a few of these. See you next time.